Today we're going to sew a personal pouch for sanitary items. These only take a few minutes to sew up and it's a great beginner-friendly project. I'm going to use 5 squares from a charm pack. This first one is going to be my back. I'm going to leave this face up. Next I'm going to take my square, I'm going to fold it in half, finger press this, and align it along the bottom edge of the first square. Take your next square, fold it in half, finger press it, and align it along the left edge of the square that you placed down first. Take your next square, fold it in half, finger press it, and align this along the top edge of the first square. Take your last square, fold it in half, finger press it, and lay it on the right edge of the square. Lift up this bottom part, lay it down flat, and fold this bottom part over the top of it. It should look like this. Now take pins or clips and hold the fabric in place so it doesn't shift when we take it to our machine to sew it. Clip or pin all the way around the square. Now it's time to sew. I'm going to sew this using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm going to backstitch when I start and stop sewing. I'm going to leave my needle down in my corner, turn and pivot, and repeat this for all 4 corners. After you're finished sewing, I clip all 4 corners to reduce the bulk, and now we're going to turn this right side out. I'm going to continue turning this right side out and use my finger to poke out all 4 corners very gently, and then once this is done, it is time to fill it with our pads. These sew up in a matter of minutes. It's a great beginner-friendly sewing project, also a great use for pre-cuts or scraps. They are so quick and easy. I love that I can keep this in my purse or backpack, and when I open it up, it discreetly hides what I have inside. It just looks like a cute pouch.